Hello everyone, so good evening. I hope you all are fine. I'm also fine. So yeah, today sorry. So today I'm gonna share a story with you. You can see I'm having a storybook here. So I felt that let me tell you a story today. So the story name is The Tiger and the Traveler. So it is not a story, you can say it is a comic book. You can see with beautiful pictures. So The Tiger and the Traveler. This is the name of the comic or story. So one day a tiger, too old to hunt, was walking by a marshy pool when he saw a gold bangle. I may as well pick it up. It could be of some use. So the tiger thought that let me take this bangle. They could be of any use because the tiger only wants to eat something, but he cannot eat the bangle, na? Yeah, so he took it. Then I've got the bat. Now I must wait for the catch. Just then a traveler passed by the opposite bank. The tiger spotted him. Men are tasty and men love gold. So, this line states that the tiger was now sure that the traveler could be his prey. So, he also noted that the man loves gold. So, he could greet him, the traveler, for the gold, and then he can eat him. Then, hey, you there, do you want this gold bangle? I have no use for it. So the tiger said to the traveler, a gold bangle, it's tempting, but no, I must not risk my life for it. So the traveler was also thinking that it must be a trap of a tiger. So he was also thinking that gold bangle, it is a good thing, but I should not risk my life for it. After that, he looked at the tiger, the traveler. I'd love to have the bangle, but how can I trust a fierce beast like you? So the traveler was saying to the tiger that how can I trust you? You have every reason to suspect me. I have been wicked in my time, but now, on the advice of a sannyasi, I am changed, so come across and take this. So in this line, the tiger said that now I am changed on the advice of a sannyasi. You can trust me now. If I come close, you may forget the sannyasi's advice when you smell me. So the traveler said this to the tiger. He was also clever. He said to the tiger that when I will come close to you, you may forget the advice given by the sannyasi by the smell of mine, by the smell of a human being. I won't, besides I am old, my claws are blunt, so do not fear. Come, wade across the pool and take this. Yeah, so he said to the traveler that no need to fear, come and take this bangle. After that, the traveler's love of gold overcame his natural fear of the tiger. So because of the love of gold that he had, he lost the fear of the tiger. He seems to be telling truth. The traveler think that I will wade across and take it. So he thought that let me go and take the bangle. But hardly had he taken a few steps when oh, it's a mire. I am stuck. Help! Yeah. So the traveler then wade across the across it. He had thinked of, but as soon as he taken few steps, he got stuck in it. Means it was a trap of the tiger. Oh, so you are stuck in the mud, I see. Never mind, wait there, I'll come and help you out. So the tiger said this. The tiger waded mercilessly up to the traveler. Alas, what a fool I have been. I'll let greed overcome my reason. So the tiger made the traveler, his prey, and then at the last he eat it. You can see in this picture. Where is it? Yeah, this one. He's eating him at the last in his food. So yeah, it means that you should not be greedy. This is the main motive of this story. So yeah, I hope you like this story. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye bye.